Hey there, gentlemen. Today, we're delving into the world of first impressions and uncovering 18 things that women notice first when they meet a man. From the way you carry yourself to the small details of your appearance, these factors play a significant role in making a lasting impression. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into what catches a woman's eye first. Thing 1. Confidence. Confidence is magnetic. Women are drawn to men who exude self-assurance and carry themselves with confidence. From the way you walk into a room to the way you make eye contact, confidence is the first thing women notice and admire. Thing 2. Smile. Your smile speaks volumes. A warm and genuine smile can instantly put a woman at ease and make her feel comfortable in your presence. A smile that reaches your eyes shows sincerity and authenticity, traits that women find incredibly attractive. Thing 3. Eye contact. Eyes are the window to the soul. Women notice your eye contact and use it to gauge your level of interest and sincerity. Maintain steady eye contact while conversing to show that you're engaged and attentive. Thing 4. Grooming habits. Grooming speaks volumes about your personality. Women pay attention to your grooming habits, from the way you style your hair to the cleanliness of your nails. A well-groomed appearance signals that you take pride in your appearance and pay attention to detail. Thing 5. Posture. Posture speaks volumes about your confidence and self-assurance. Women notice how you carry yourself, from standing tall with your shoulders back to walking with purpose and grace. Good posture exudes confidence and makes a positive first impression. Thing 6. Clothing style. Your clothing style says a lot about your personality. Women notice the way you dress, from the colors and patterns you choose to the fit and quality of your clothing. Dressing in a manner that reflects your personal style and showcases your individuality can leave a lasting impression. Thing 7. Scent. Scent is a powerful tool of attraction. Women notice your scent and use it to form impressions about your hygiene and grooming habits. Choose a subtle and sophisticated fragrance that complements your personality and leaves a memorable impression. Thing 8. Facial hair. Facial hair can add character to your appearance. Women notice how you groom and style your facial hair, whether it's a clean-shaven look, a well-maintained beard, or a stylish stubble. Find a grooming routine that works for you and enhances your overall look. Thing 9. Hands. Your hands can say a lot about you. Women notice the condition of your hands, from the cleanliness of your nails to the firmness of your grip. Keep your hands well groomed and moisturized to make a positive impression. Thing 10. Body language. Body language speaks louder than words. Women notice your body language, from the way you stand and sit to the gestures you make while speaking. Open and confident body language conveys warmth and approachability. Thing 11. Shoes. Shoes can make or break your outfit. Women pay attention to your choice of footwear, from the style and condition of your shoes to how well they complement your overall look. Invest in quality shoes that reflect your personal style and elevate your appearance. Thing 12. Facial expressions. Your facial expressions convey emotions and intentions. Women notice your facial expressions, from your smile and laughter to your subtle expressions of interest and engagement. Be mindful of your facial expressions and use them to express warmth and sincerity. Thing 13. Voice. Your voice can be incredibly captivating. Women notice the tone, pitch, and cadence of your voice, as well as how you use it to convey emotions and intentions. Speak with clarity and confidence, and let your voice reflect your personality and charm. Thing 14. Mannerisms. Your mannerisms can reveal a lot about your personality. Women notice how you move and gesture, as well as the small quirks and habits that make you unique. Embrace your individuality and let your mannerisms reflect your authenticity. Thing 15. Accessories. Accessories can add personality to your look. Women notice the accessories you wear, from watches and bracelets to rings and necklaces. Choose accessories that complement your style and add a touch of sophistication to your look. Thing 16. Overall hygiene. Hygiene is non-negotiable. Women notice your overall hygiene, from the cleanliness of your skin and hair to the freshness of your breath. Take care of your personal hygiene to make a positive and lasting impression. Thing 17. Confidence in conversation. Confidence shines through in conversation. Women notice how you carry yourself and express yourself verbally. From the way you articulate your thoughts to the confidence with which you engage in conversation. Be yourself, speak with confidence, and let your personality shine. Thing 18. Authenticity. Above all, women appreciate authenticity. Be true to yourself and let your genuine personality shine through. Authenticity is magnetic and attractive, and women notice and appreciate when you're true to who you are. And there you have it, 18 things that women notice first in men. By paying attention to these subtle cues and making an effort to present your best self, you can make a positive and lasting impression on the women you meet. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Here's to making a great first impression. Happy dating!